Okay, folks, thank you for joining me. Good evening. We are taking a look right now just over Sunrise across from Ashland State Park along Chestnut Street. So here we are. We are returning to the Mendez School, Oak Tree Construction. Thank you for joining me. We are taking a look at this future parking area that has been paved. We've looked at this a few times, but I don't think we've seen this paving completed. But the access road coming from the side road there, and some containers here as we approach this side of the building. So as we approach this side of the building, you can see the exterior walls have been completed, the roof being tied in there. Looking down at some moisture that was collecting there at the front, but coming back across the roof here towards this middle courtyard area, getting a look towards the outside perimeter. And a lot of work that's been done here, a lot of completed work on the exterior structure walls, materials they put in before that when we saw the last filming, and all this HVAC tied in back here. It's looking all bright and pristine. Coming back to this back edge of the property as we come around. And beautiful sunset atmosphere for this filming. This was just last night. The clouds were breaking just after 2 or 3 p.m. and made for a pretty pleasant evening. And we're taking another look at the front here, or what's positioned to the front of the way that we approached it. Getting another look at this backside here, and we'll see some material piles here, some more pipes. We've got piles of gravel in between, pretty close to the school. Now we're looking over the former site where the oak tree used to be. And that's in the white square, basically center, screen out between the two buildings, old and new. And we're getting a look at maybe the side entrance, or it could be probably maybe the front entrance. Getting that angle right here. So they've made a lot of progress at the Mendez School. I was glad that I got down to film this. Took a little walk this morning on the live stream. So if you want to see a little bit of that, check that out. That is under the live tab on my channel. Hopefully more to come on that. But more filming will be done this week, and stay tuned. I'll be back in downtown Ashland looking at a few proposal areas there and some site plans, but I'll have everything tied up for you so you can check that out. And we're getting a few more looks here at what started as oak tree construction. This is part 7, so thank you for tuning in, and thanks for joining me. I hope you have a great rest of your Sunday night and weekend. Another look at Ashland State Park and this gorgeous glowing sunset we had just the other evening. So cheers, take care, and have a great night.